Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's kind of loud. We got TVs and Nintendo Switches and all that crap on. Kids are on break, so it's gonna be kind of loud. But anyways, today I'm making ground turkey tacos. I've never tried it with turkey before. I usually use like beef or chicken, but I got the turkey on sale, so I was like, why not? I got a potato. Usually when you add potato to any meat, it adds a little bit more. I got some corn tortillas. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that. Taco seasoning and taco shells. You can use these ones or you can make your own. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and dice up my potato. And I'm going to start on my corn tortilla tacos. So I have a strainer here with a napkin. There's a bowl underneath. When I cook my shells, it's going to catch all the grease. So right here I'm going to put some oil. I'm going to make sure that my oil is nice and hot. My pan is all dumb. I need new pans. Be careful. I'm going to leave it just like that for a couple minutes. That way it can get crispy on the bottom. And now I'm going to flip it over to fry the other side. You want to make sure you kind of leave it open so it doesn't fry closed. Or you can see our shell is nice and crispy on both sides. Now I'm going to put this on the napkin. That way get all the grease out. I have my taco shells here. I'm going to start cooking my turkey. I have my potato. It's diced really small. I did leave the skin on there. I just made sure it was washed really good. Laziness at its finest. So let's start cooking the turkey. I will not be adding oil to the pan due to probably the turkey has a lot of oil already. Alright, so my turkey's almost done. I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes in there because there is oil. I'm not going to put it in without the oil because then it might burn or not cook the way I want to. So I'm going to cook this together and then I'm going to strain the oil out. So keeping the oil in as you added your potatoes really helps the potatoes become soft. Because if I would have put the potatoes in here after straining the meat, probably would have just burned and would have not, cooked the right way. It would have took a lot longer. So I'm going to go ahead and strain these. I'm going to add my taco seasoning. And then we're all done. Seasoning and a little bit of water. So we're all done. It's time to serve. Usually I would have added onions, tomatoes, jalapenos, but this is for the kiddies, so we're going to keep it basic. Let's get to serving. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is get our taco shells. We're going to fill these. I overfill them sometimes. Add some cheese. Pretty much this is all they eat. And we're going to pair this up with some french fries. Now you guys, this is my turkey. Tacos for the kids. Stay tuned, keep watching. I'll see you on the next video.